Hello everyone! Magandang buhay sa ating lahat. Kamusta po ang araw natin? So, open-minded ka ba? So, how to start your own travel business worldwide? Okay, how to start? Number 1, buy your package. And number 2, attend system training. Okay? Napakasimple lang po kung paano tayo mag-start ng ating travel business worldwide. Welcome to WCA World Cruisers Incorporated. Welcome the company that has changing the life of many people all across the globe. We do this travel and earn opportunity presentation on the skills. Just stay tuned in our overall GC. So, ito po na business presentation ay isang business opportunity ay i-share namin para po sa ating mga guest na meron 95% excitement at 5% skills. Ito ay open 18 years old and above. Any status and life. Single, married, separated, or naghanap ka ba ng forever? Sure, nandito ka na, di ba? Kasi ito ang iyong kapartner forever. O, di ba? Bongga. Who we are, WCA. WCA, a duly registered company dedicated to provide affordable, quality, competitive travel and hospitality products and services to every lifestyle conscious consumer all across the globe. So, all across the globe. So, napakalinaw po ang ating company, WCA Travel, is offering product services worldwide. O, di ba? Super nice ang ating travel business worldwide. Now, I would like to represent to you our management team, and we are very proud na sila ay ating na-success behind WCA Travel, headed by CEO Engineer Joven Diaz and CCAEO Engineer Joven Diaz, Mechanical Engineer by profession, and collaboration with our CEO, Attorney Merlin Velia Hermosa, who served by National Power Corporation by 22 years as Speaker, Counsel, and of course, in-house legal WCA Attorney Peter Castillo, na siya namumuno sa pagsunod ng laws related ito sa travel and tourism industries. So, with combined competent years experience in the area of management, leadership, people, empowerment, life education, as well as ethical business or management team, is truly a top of the class life changers and conduits of blessing. So, paano po sila naging life changer? Okay? Naging conduits of blessings. So, through affiliation po ng WCA Travel na bibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon para magkaroon ng sariling online travel. Okay? Duplicate natin ang business ng WCA Travel. Tayo na rin ay magkakaroon ng business gaya sa kanila. Kaya nga talagang sila ay nag-life changer. Okay? So, masasabi namin yung mga affiliates na nabuo dito sa WCA and soon, okay? Take note, soon kayo na rin ang magiging part ng WCA company. Wow, di ba? Bongga. So, be there, experience, and expertise. And their own field bago na conceptualized ang business na ito. Kaya po kami ay naniniwala that leadership stability dictate stability of the company. Kasi po, kapag meron kayong solid na relationship na build, strong po ang foundation ng isang company. Agree? So, lalong-lalo na po ang management team at alam na natin magtatagal ang isang company kagaya po ng WCA Travel. Okay. So now let's proceed to the legalities. We are registered in SIC or Security and Exchange Company. Sa ating mga valid guest, baka gusto ninyong i-validate kung tayo ay naka-registered sa SIC. Pupunta lang kayo sa website at i-enter ang complete name ng ating company. Okay? WCA, World Cruisers Adventure Travel and Tour Incorporated. So you can see guys, the WCA Travel. Okay? Next, in the middle is a business license, mayor's permit. Updated po ito year 2022. And our company based located in the city of Muntinlupa City, particularly in Alabang. The CERB is the one certificate of registration, BIR. Ito po ay katunayan or is a proof that WCA is religiously paying the taxes. Okay? So, no worries po tayo. Complete at legalities ang ating WCA company. Okay? And now, ang ating company ay isang world-class at napakaganda. Supported ng mga award and recognition na na-receive po ng ating company since day 1. And this award is awarded by the different team, bodies world class. Katunayan, ito ay 8 na. Isang 2 times award, at I would like to emphasize the third one, which ito ay certificate na binigay sa isang Filipino oat company na ang kanyang serbisyo at product ay pwedeng i-market worldwide. So, ganun kaganda ang product ng company natin. Okay? Ito ay nagpapatunay na credible po ang ating company. Okay? So, thank you.